वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनसत्ता.com, बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस।
In September 2019, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a political declaration on universal health coverage. The political declaration, among its many commitments, stressed the importance of strong primary health care systems, increasing investments for health, and effective public health systems. For most of this year, the world has been battling a rapidly evolving pandemic that has spared few countries, testing the resilience of health systems to their utmost. We must applaud the resolve shown by the Committee of Nations in effectively tackling the pandemic and at the same time working to further the aim of universal health coverage. Like several other countries, and as a signatory to the Sustainable Development Goals, India has been working on making universal health coverage a reality for her citizens. The COVID-19 pandemic brought home to us several lessons. It has made us realize the importance of resilient and strong public health systems. COVID-19 has also ensured that we now need to focus on accelerating actions related to integration of public health surveillance and data sharing into primary and secondary health care. This has spurred design reforms such as expand and build IT-enabled disease surveillance systems, build capacity for research for One Health, invest in a national digital health ecosystem, strengthening epidemiological intelligence capacity, and create system capacity to meet the need for emergency response.
Excellencies, I am aware that I am entering this office at a time of global crisis on account of this pandemic, at a time when we are fighting to simply stay alive, and at a time when we all understand that there are going to be many urgent health challenges in the next 2 decades. All these challenges demand a shared response because these are shared threats requiring shared responsibility to act.